All right, so today I'm going to show you how to make a riddle in Google Sheets. I did most of the formatting already. I typed in all the answers to the questions. To get these questions in here, I merged these cells and then I just inserted an image that I screenshotted from Word, so it could be in math type. And then I already put the title and directions up here, but in this box, I want to put the riddle. So I'm going to insert an image again and make sure the image goes in the cell. And again, this is something I made earlier. When I insert things, I like to make sure that they're centered in the box and that they're vertically aligned centered in the box. And then right here I have the answer. So I'm going to make all of these letters white so students can't see them. If you wanted to make them a different color, you could make them whatever color you want. Just make sure the fill color is the same color so they're all different and students can't see them because they're hidden right now. And then when you type in your answers, whenever you're doing things with math, especially because of fractions, you want to make sure you format this to be plain text. Otherwise, it's going to think that you have dates and stuff for fractions. All right, so click on the box that you want to be revealed when students type in an answer. Do Format, Conditional Formatting, and then I want to fill this in blue so it matches my winter theme. And I'm going to format something that's custom. And I want it to be when the students type in the correct answer in box C9. So I'm going to hit equals $C, $9 equals. Make sure you put quotes around the answer, so quotes 2/3. And I did C9 because it's in column C and the first row is row 9. So now if there's nothing entered, nothing shows up. If the wrong answer is entered, nothing shows up. But if students were to enter the correct answer, an O would appear and they would get the first part of the riddle. And I will share the link to this when it's completed in the comments of this video.